just don't understand how this is considered prison food when it's so fucking good. Oh my god. As I was saying, yeah, I kind of miss it. I kind of miss waking up to Aguilar's fine ass. God, that man was so fine. He was like perfectly hairy everywhere. He was bald. And he looked like he had killed people before. He was so fine. He had like a thick mustache. I never got to shower with him. Probably would have stayed a little longer. I drew him. No, that's not him. That's him. Motherfucker was fine, bro. I had the best view from where I slept. Dude, it was so hot. There was another dude that was, he's pretty, he had a hot body. Hottie. Aguila was so sweet to me, though. So I didn't know about the tuna. Putting tuna in your ramen with like mayonnaise. Oh my god. This one's hot. But that is so fucking good. I just didn't put mayonnaise in this, but it already had a bunch of stuff. I've been adding oregano to all my food. Oregano is like really anti-parasitic. It's been known to kill cancer.